Warm greetings, Romelu here. I'd like to share my experience and my proven technique in growing my own bean sprouts. I live in the Netherlands, where it can be called my apartment. Inside is at lower than 21, so this procedure takes more than a week. For a recipe for, let's say, 4 to 5 persons, you'll be needing at least a quarter of a cup of mungo or mung beans. Just soak them in water overnight for the first night and use a transparent container so as to avoid exposing it to light, because light tends to cause a bitter taste to your sprouts. And don't forget to place it in a warm place. For example, close to your radiator or to your refrigerator. After 3 days, this is what I have. And also, don't forget to wash it every day. Wash and drain. You only need to soak in water for the first night. And as the sprouts grow, the peels detach from the beans. And as you notice, while you wash, they will be floating. It's easy to remove the peels as you agitate or wash the sprouts. You can also leave them with the sprouts. They add fiber to your diet. They don't cause any bitter taste to your recipe. It's just a presentability. In the tropics, this growing sprout should take not more than 5 days. But since it's winter where I live in Holland, this procedure or this growing process took around 10 days. I've used here a microwave rice cooker with a ventilation on its lid. I repurpose it for this process because I can use the ventilations as drainage for the water. I don't have to use a strainer each time. I just put the lid on, put it upside down, and voila, easy. This is the result after a week. You should get this after 3 days in the tropics. And around after 10 days, this is what I have. Homegrown sprouts. If you can make it yourself, don't buy it.